Hey y'all, it's Laura, and I have my Cheeky Studio kit for September, and I thought I'd show you what I'm going to be playing with this month. For this month, I have quite a lot of sequins and bows, and I'm really excited about that, to use more sequins and bows on my layouts. Starting on this side, I have Valentine's sequins, which have a lot of the green and dark red. I have the wildflower sequins, which have more of the pink and kind of blue tones, and both of which go really nicely with the Midnight Florals. And here are the 4x6 cards for the Midnight Florals. Beautiful rich colors. Definitely going to be doing some Pocket Life pages this month for sure. Aren't these gorgeous? These are going to be really beautiful for tags and for layering behind photos too. So really like that. Also have some of these cute little black and white polka dot bows. And then I have them in the white with black polka dot here. So that's really cute. We have a wood veneer. It says Get Cheeky, which is the hashtag for a lot of Cheeky Studio projects, is hashtag Get Cheeky. So if you're ever looking for how to use your Cheeky Studio products, that's a great way to find some good project ideas, especially on Instagram. Here are the ephemera pieces for the Midnight Florals. Now, as it happens, the florals are my absolute favorite thing about Cheeky. Her watercoloring is just beautiful. So here we have a little paint strip. We've got some loose florals that you can layer together. There we go. Got some feathers. Got some of these cute little label type pieces, some more florals. There we go. This is interesting. Got a little ox head and some feathers in a couple different colors. The color scheme of this is much different than a lot of her other packs, so I'm really excited to get to play with some different styles here. Not quite as soft and pastel, definitely more dramatic, so I'm excited to play with that. And then these clusters are just beautiful. Look how dramatic. Absolutely love these clusters. And then some larger pieces. I mean, you can just see how chock full these ephemera packs are. There's just so much, and they're just beautiful. I never ever use up all of them every month because there's just so much inside. Oh, there you go. Here we are. So that's it for the Midnight Florals side of my kit. I also have a very different, very pastel, smaller kit from the Unicorn Mode. And I've got some Unicorn Mode sequins, got lovely shades of pink and white, very sparkly, and then also some purple. This one's called Purple Rain, so several shades of purple. Those are both the colors that are in this collection. We've got some flare. So we've got some really cute little unicorn. These are super cute. They kind of remind me of the style of Lisa Frank, and I loved that when I was in middle school, so I'm really excited to play with that. And then of course we have some more little bows with purples and white and some yellow and some more purple. Lots and lots of tiny bows. I may bring in some of leftover pieces from the last 2 months. Also have a Unicorn Mode wood veneer. And here is the ephemera. Sorry if my voice is a little croaky. Allergies have gotten me this week. And this should be going up next week, the last week of August. So hopefully I'll be feeling better then, but preparing for Scraptember. It's coming, guys. Every day in September, new video. So this one has a lot of clouds. It is called Unicorn Mode and has a lot of pink and purple clouds, which I think is going to be fun to play with. And like I said, I'm going to be bringing in bits and pieces from last month's kits as well. These beautiful unicorn heads. They're just so pretty. I love the colors. Got some rainbows. Here we go. More clouds. More rainbow heads. More rainbows. More clouds, and another rainbow head. So that's going to be very different from the Midnight Florals, and I thought it would be fun to have something totally different to play with to keep me excited and interested all month long. So I hope you all will join me and see the projects that I make with this. All of my projects will be posted on Instagram, of course. I will have some videos here as well. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Until next time, bye!